Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Cut my hand on that last job, but we're about to head to another one. I don't think it's that deep. Let me see. I've got some clean rags here. Yeah, just a scratch. Yeah, I was busting a little bolt loose on an idler pulley, and when it came loose, my hand rubbed against a hose clamp, one of those spring-loaded hose clamps that kind of have the ends that stick up like that, and just went across the back of my hand. But we got a call out, an emergency call out as well, that just came in back home. So we're about 30 minutes away, and we just got done with this Nissan Altima. That'll be in the video that comes out probably the day or two before this one, so feel free to check that out. And this is a good friend of mine who lives back in town, and their vehicle, something's wrong with the clutch. That's all the information I have. So we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully it's not burnt up. I don't really do clutch replacements on the side of the road or whatever, just too much involved, but I'll diagnose it for him. Hopefully it's something like a, slave cylinder would be the best if it's external. Master cylinder, second, clutch third. So we'll check it out. I'll be able to diagnose the difference, and we'll go through how to tell what exactly is wrong with your clutch. So come along. This is Roadside Rescue YouTube channel, and we'll get down there and check it out. Alright, so here we are with the vehicle. It's a Honda Accord. So what I'm going to do to see if it's the clutch, I'm going to feel the clutch pedal, which is super soft. So sometimes when it feels like that, it is the clutch. What I'm going to do is put it into gear and see if I can get it to go. If I can get it to go, I'll pull it out on the road, get up to like 20 miles an hour and throw it in 4th or 5th gear and smash the gas. If the RPMs go up and the vehicle doesn't accelerate when I'm off the clutch, then it's most likely the clutch. If I put it into gear and it's fine, I'll probably just float the gears through 2nd, 3rd, 4th, give it some acceleration and see if it's grabbing. If it's accelerating fine, then it's going to be a cylinder, so probably not disengaging completely. Let's see how easy it goes into 1st there. So it goes into 1st. It doesn't want to go in super easy, and I can feel it lurch. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't want to go in super easy. Yeah, and it's coming off pretty okay as soon as I let off that pedal. So I'm thinking it's probably a cylinder. I'm gonna give it, I'll put the GoPro on my shirt here. And we'll just pull out and see, we'll float these gears and see how well this clutch is grabbing. It's, like I said, as soon as I start to come off that pedal, it's grabbing, but that's no promise. Let's see here. Yeah, it's just coming off as soon as I'm off that pedal. Let me accelerate here. Yeah, accelerated fine. I'll just float these gears. Let's see, I had to grab that one. Yeah, it feels like it's a cylinder. Put the seatbelt on and pull it out on the road. I think I'm comfortable enough to get it out on the road here. Then we can go down here and we'll turn a U-turn if we need to. Okay, I'm gonna put it in 4th here real quick. Smash that gas. So I'm just laying on the gas right now, and it's holding, so it's probably a cylinder. Go through this light and turn around. Accelerating with a lot of power. It's just not going into gear easily. So now we'll just investigate whether it's got all of its fluid and which cylinder it may be. We'll probably open up that slave cylinder, bleed it, see if it gets better. If it doesn't, then we'll we will open the slave cylinder, the little bleeder valve, and see what kind of pressure we have coming out on that fluid. Looks like we're gonna go here. Yeah, I mean, I'm in third right now, just laying on the gas, and the RPMs and the acceleration are going up at the same rate, so that's a good sign that it's not the clutch. All right, so here's the slave cylinder. You can see actuating. I have my buddy here pressing the pedal, and it's coming out enough. That's probably enough to disengage it, but I'm gonna go ahead and bleed it, and then we will see if that gets any better or if we need to replace some cylinders. All right, so now we've got that pedal. We bled it just a little. It may have gotten a bit tighter, but now that it's warmed up, here I am gonna go in first gear here, and I'm completely out on that clutch. So, and it's still just running fine. So we're gonna push it back in this spot. It's definitely that clutch now. So yeah, that one's a bummer. Almost had me fooled there at the beginning, but got it figured out. So we'll push it back in, and we'll call this a diagnosis well done. Let's see, I can probably just throw it right into first gear with that. No, but I'm just sitting in park here, and there's the clutch. So all right, that'll do it. All right, that's it. I'm Ernest. This is the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. That one's a bummer. They're looking to get a new car anyways. They said if it was the clutch, they were just gonna get rid of it. So yeah, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the channel members. We'll see you on the next episode.